The Bourne Conspiracy, Sonic and the Secret Rings, Sonic and the Black Knight, Risen, Red Steel, Pirates of the Burning Sea, Parabellum, 9GHTS Journey of Dreams, Monster Madness Battle for Suburbia, Mirror's Edge, Mass Effect, Mafia II, King Arthur, the role-playing wargame, Huxley, Heavy Rain, Gothic 3, Years of War 2, Years of War, Batman Arkham Asylum, Backbreaker, Arcania Gothic 4.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.